Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who don't know me, my name is Justine and I'm just your regular girl from the Bronx. You know how it goes. First and foremost, I like to apologize for my inconsistencies in my videos because I bet you be busy and I just do not have time to take advantage of the sunlight outside. You know, with filming videos, natural light is the best light to film with, but also I have school, I'm a full-time student, my job gives me like 35 hours a week, and then I do work study, so I'm consistently busy, but I am trying to put out more content out there and more videos. But you know, enough of the logistics and all that cool stuff. Let's get into the video and what we're going to talk about today. So this video is like a mini hair review slash birthday makeup video. Like my birthday was 2 weeks ago. It was on March 25th. I am 22 now, you know, bitches type old. And I just wanted to film like my makeup, how I did my makeup that day, and also my hair. And if you don't care about the hair at all, then you could definitely skip the video. I will definitely tell you at what time the makeup part actually starts, but we're just going to start, you know, talking about the hair first, and then we're going to get into the makeup. Before I talk about anything, subscribe. You know how it goes. Like, you have to subscribe to get different things, different contents. I have my past videos. You know, they were a little bad. I had to work with bad lighting and my camera. Like, it was a mess, but I'm trying to get better with my editing skills and my filming skills. So, you know, you could flame me or whatever if you want, but it's just getting better. Okay, so let's talk about this hair. So, my mirror fell. Oh my god. So let's talk about this hair. This hair is from wowafrican.com, and this is the first wig that I ever brought in my life. Like, I've never worn a wig before. And I was really excited to get, you know, some hair, some bundles and all that. This was 16 inches, silky Brazilian. I would definitely link everything that I used below. This hair was really nice. It took bleaching well, it took toning well. I did the hair myself. The plan for my hair was supposed to be chocolate blonde. So on the bottom it's like chocolate. This is the brown, and then on the top it's blonde. It was supposed to be more ashier than this, but you know, I don't know about hair. I'm not a hair guru, I'm not a weavologist, and none of that. Like, I literally did this wig myself by watching YouTube. A lot of girls, shout out to you guys for filming videos, because without you guys my hair would have looked a mess. Plugging myself, bleaching myself, toning, dyeing, I did literally everything myself. Overall, this hair is good. That's that with the hair. Now we're going to get into the exciting part, the makeup. Okay, so we're into makeup. So we're going to take off the faux fur. Remember, no cruelty free on this side. Like, we don't fuck with that abusing animal shit. So yeah, but I'm gonna take off my coat from Fashion Nova, by the way. FN babes here, Fashion Nova babes. I'm just going to put this to the side here because we're going to get physical. My eyebrows are already filled in. Of course, you guys know what I use for my eyebrows. I use my Dipbrow pomade in the shade Chocolate. For those who don't know what it looks like, let me just get it. Let me get it for you now. So this is what it looks like. Dipbrow pomade and in the shade Chocolate. My eyelids are already prepped. I use my Shapetape concealer, and I also use my Ben Nye setting powder in the shade Olive Sand, which I'll show you later because we are going to, actually no, I'm not going to use that later, so let me show you that now. Olive Sand. Yeah. All right. And we're going to get, well, we're going to use our Morphe palette. So this is the Morphe 9B palette. I got this at Ulta. It comes with 9 beautiful shades. Bronze was my makeup theme this year, so this is what I got in the shade, in the Bronze Babe 9B palette. All right, and the first color, the first color that we're going to go into is this color right here, which is Hang 10. And we're going to put that in the crease, okay? So our crease brush, I said that way wrong. Our yeah, we're going to use is the M505 brush from Morphe. Yeah, this is what we look like. This is our Morphe, oh, I have too much in my hand. Our Morphe M505 brush, crease brush, yeah, recommend it. And we're just going to go in with that shade Hang 10. We're going to use the color here, which is Road Trip. This is what it looks like. Ooh, I'll show you guys Road Trip. Okay. And we're just going to put that slightly under the first color that we used. So now I'm going to take my Sephora Pro brush in the shade, in the number Pro Bullet Crease in the number 86. So this is what the Sephora brush looks like. Okay, this is what we're working with. All right, and we're going to take the shade Beach Please, which is right over here. Beach Please, this one here. And then we're going to put that, we're going to detail that mainly in the crease in this area here. So the next brush that we're going to use is our M330 brush from Morphe. This is what it looks like, our M330. Okay. And the final color that we're going to use from this palette is this shade over here called Volcano, which is this dark brown. Okay, and we're going to focus that mainly on the lid. We're going to cut a mini crease on the eye. We're not going to do the full, like, you know, angled Egyptian cut crease. We're just going to do like halfway. And then we're going to use some shimmer slash glitter, but it's going to be more on the shimmery side. We're going to take our MAC 242 brush. Okay, our synthetic flathead brush. Well, it's not flat, but you know, synthetic. Okay, this is what we're going to use. Our Shapetape to cut the crease. So we're just going to open it. This is the Shapetape in the shade Deep. I use Deep. And we're just going to put a little bit on here, not too much. And we're just going to cut the crease on both eyes. Okay, cool. So now that our concealer is on, we're going to take our Ben Nye banana powder. And we're just going to set all the concealer that we just put on. We set the concealer for our little mini cut crease. We're going to use a glitter primer. Effective, highly effective. Okay, this is what we're looking like. All right, and we're just going to put that everywhere where we just set the concealer. And this stuff is really potent, guys, so a little bit goes a long way. All right, so now it's shimmer time, which is one of my favorite parts of the video. So we're going to take our our Sephora Pro brush in the number 18. It's a small shader, which is good, very good, highly recommended for smaller lids. And we're just going to put the glitter all over. NYX Shimmer Down pigment in the shade Almond. Okay, in the shade Almond. And we're just going to put a little bit here in our cap, and then we're just going to put this all over our lid where we just put the glitter primer. We're just going to use eyeliner, and we're just going to we're just going to do a really thin line by the lash line, of course. This is the Sex Kitten from Tarte eyeliner, liquid liner. Yeah. And we're just going to get that as close to the lash line as humanly possible. So now it's lash time. So our mascara of choice today is my Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. Okay. And this is what the wand looks like. And we're just going to put our mascara on. Okay. We got our mascara on. So I'm going to do my lashes off camera because I just don't like to do my lashes on camera. So Well, actually, no, it's not even that. It's because I need two hands, and right now I'm holding my mirror. So I'm just gonna look down and put my lashes on, and I'll be back with my lashes on. So again, I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Double Wear. And we're just going to put this all over my face. I'm using my Morphe R3 foundation brush. And we're just going to blend her all over. To use my damp beauty blender to just blend everything together. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Shapetape concealer, again in the shade Deep, and I'm going to put this under my eyes, in my T-zone, my forehead, and my Cupid's bow and chin. And then we're just going to take a brush just to take off everything. The brush that I like to use to do that is my IT Cosmetics Velvet Luxe 310 brush, which is a complexion precision brush. And I like to use that to brush away all the powder. Blush that we're going to use today is this one from the Sephora collection in the shade Hot Flush. Hot Flash. No, it is Hot Flush. Hot Flush. It is a orange shimmer. I love this. This is one of my favorite bronzers of all time. Blushes of all time. You can also use it as a highlighter as well, but today I'm just going to use it as a blush. Just going to take my blush brush from Real Techniques that I have, real trusty. And we're just going to put this, I like to put my blush higher on my face to give the illusion of higher cheekbones. So I don't put it all the way down here with my cheeks. I like to put it up here, more so on my cheekbones. Okay, so we're just going to blend the whole face together. So basically the face itself is done. This is the Studio Fix powder from MAC, my trusty Studio Fix powder. I never do makeup without it. This is in the shade NC47. Okay, this is what she looks like. And we're just going to give her a light dusting everywhere. And wow, the face is all set. Okay, so the final thing that we're going to do is the lips. And a little backstory about my lipstick. Every birthday that I've been around since 16, I'm 22 now. Since I've been 16, I always got myself a MAC lipstick for my birthday. It's just a tradition that I do for myself. Each year is like a different color. This year I decided to do like a yellow brown color. I'll show you that in a bit. First thing that we're going to do, of course, is to line the lips. I like to line the lips with MAC lip pencil. Not all the time, but in this case, it happened to be a MAC lip pencil. So let me get that now. Pencil in the shade Cork. This is the color here from MAC in Cork. And this is the brown that it looks like. And we're just going to line the lips. So now that the lips are all lined, we're just going to use our lipstick. So this lipstick is from MAC, of course. And this is the color that it looks like. And this is in the shade Naturally Transformed. Okay, and I'm just going to put this directly to my lips. All right, so last but not least, we're going to add a lip gloss. This is the Moth to Flame Dazzleglass from MAC as well. Okay, this is what she looks like. And we're just going to focus this more so on the center of the lip. And so this is the final look that I did for my birthday, literally product for product, word for word, everything that I did for my makeup. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I promise I'm not gonna go 2 months in between videos. I'm really trying my hardest to be more active and have more time to do my videos. So I look forward to giving more, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.